Here's how to fix Discord keeps disconnecting and reconnecting problem. First, open Discord and go to your server. Then, join the voice channel where you're having the issue. Then, right-click the voice channel and select Edit Channel. Scroll down to Region Override and change it from Automatic to a region that's closest to most of the people in your voice channel. While you're here, you can also lower the channel's bitrate slightly, as a lower bitrate often provides a more stable connection on slower networks. Next, go back and click the User Settings icon in the bottom left corner and open Voice and Video. Here, scroll down and click on Show Advanced Voice Settings. Then, scroll down again and turn Enable Quality off. After that, restart Discord after making these changes. After that, go to your Start menu and open Settings on your computer. Then, go to Network and Internet. Open VPN and make sure you aren't connected to a VPN unless you specifically need one. After that, go back and then open Proxy and ensure that proxy settings are turned off. If the problem continues, go to your Start menu and search for Command Prompt. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. Type the following command, ipconfig /flush DNS, and press Enter. This clears your DNS cache and can fix network-related connection issues. After that, open your web browser and search for Driver Easy. Open the drivereasy.com website and click Download Now. Once the download is complete, install the application on your computer. After it's installed, open Driver Easy and click Scan Now. Wait for the scan to finish, then update your drivers by clicking the Update button next to each outdated driver. You can also use Update All to update every driver at once, but that's a paid feature. If you're using the free version, update the drivers one by one. Next, go to your Start menu and search for Control Panel. Open the Control Panel, make sure View By is set to Category. After that, go to Network and Sharing Center. Once here, click Change Adapter Settings. Then, right-click your active network connection and select Properties. Now, select Internet Protocol version 4 and select Properties. From this window, choose Use the following DNS server addresses and enter Preferred DNS 8888 and Alternate DNS 8844. Click OK to save the changes. Now, check that Windows Firewall isn't blocking Discord. Search for Windows Defender Firewall and open it. Click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, then select Change Settings. Make sure Discord is listed in this list and make sure both private and public are enabled. If Discord isn't listed, click Allow another app. Then click on Browse. Now, you need to locate the Discord installation folder. If you don't know where it's installed, go back to your desktop, right-click the Discord shortcut, and select Open File Location. Copy the folder path from the address bar. Then, go back to Windows Defender Firewall. Click Allow another app, select Browse, paste the copied path into the address bar, and press Enter. Select Update.exe, click Open, and then click Add. Finally, make sure both private and public are checked for Discord. Then click OK to save the changes. Finally, launch Discord again and check whether the disconnecting and reconnecting issue has been resolved. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.